everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. I am going to be showing you several different Valentine's Day mini albums over the next couple of days. These are mini albums I have made. There are going to be some tutorials listed on my site. If there is a tutorial, I'll put it in the description box. All of these mini albums are listed in my Etsy shop at this point, although they may sell because they may be on sale when you're watching this video. So if you're interested in purchasing these, check out the links in the description box, which will take you right to my Etsy shop or right to the tutorial of the specific albums. They are all different shapes and sizes. I have from a very loaded large mini album to one that's not necessarily Valentine's Day, but could be trip, vacation, whatever, shabby chicish. And then I have some gnome mini albums. I have some accordion albums. I have Cupid albums. I have vintage. So over the next couple of videos, you're going to see quite an assortment of different albums. So I hope you'll join along with me. And for now, let's check out today's mini album. So let's take a look at this Valentine's Day album. This is a 7x7 mini album. I do have a tutorial on my website on how to make 7x7 mini albums. The front has a punched design, and that is a cut apart, and some fussy cut flowers with some enamel hearts. Inside we've got a pocket and a photo mat. And the pocket on the first page holds this little folder. And speaking of folders, there's a tiny folder here at the top, and there is a cute little file folder in there. So you could put photos or love notes or whatever you want. And then all of the pages do have a hidden photo mat. There are 6 signatures on this, and the front of the pages do have a pocket. Room on this side for a great photo, and there's a couple of photo mats. This has an embossed heart where you could write a little note in there. I love the little glitter detail with an enamel heart. And there's a photo mat. Strawberries with some X's and O's around it. Another embossed heart. And another little detail on the front. And another photo mat. This just has hearts and triangles and dots on it. And here we have 2 embossed hearts. You could add more photos into that pocket if you want. There is red metallic accent here and a couple of red gems there that are beautiful. Love all the loves. And then we have a couple of different photo mats here with that embossed heart. Here we've got a rosette and a little photo mat. And the back side, a couple of different color hearts. And here is sort of a little window with a 2-circle closure. And it brings you to show you a beautiful love Valentine. One of the details on here is on the string, there is a little embossed heart on the edge of the string. And there's the back page. There's the spine. And there is our Happy Valentine's Day cover. So there is another Valentine's Day mini album. I hope you enjoy this. Don't forget to check out my Etsy shop. I'll put a link in the description box so you can go directly to this. And I want to thank you for joining me, and have a fabulous day.